In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in ClickUp. Custom fields are a great way to organize your tasks with extra information that goes beyond the standard task details. For example, you might want to track a date, a number, a status option, or a simple yes or no checkbox. Once you know where to find them and how to set them up, they become a really useful part of your workflow. To get started, open the space, folder or list where you want to create the custom field. You'll want to be in the specific location where that field should appear, since custom fields can be created based on the area you're working in. A good way to do this is to open a list or table view, because that makes the field easier to add and manage. Once you're in the right place, look toward the upper right corner of the task table and click the plus icon, or the add option. This is where you can create a new column, which is how custom fields appear inside your task view. If you already see your existing columns, this step will feel very straightforward. Next, choose the type of custom field you want to create. ClickUp gives you several options, including text, dropdown, checkbox, number and date. The right choice depends on the kind of information you want to track. For example, text works well for open-ended notes. Dropdown is useful for standardized selections, and date is ideal when timing matters. After choosing the field type, enter a name for your custom field. Try to make the name clear and specific so it's easy to understand later, especially if your workspace includes a lot of tasks or multiple collaborators. Now configure the field. Depending on the field type you selected, you may be able to add options, define a default value, choose a format, or adjust other settings. This part is important because it helps the field behave exactly the way you want it to. If needed, open more settings and permissions. This is where you can control who can view or edit the field. That can be especially helpful if the field contains information that should only be managed by certain team members. When everything looks good, click Create. Your new custom field will now appear as a column in your view. From there, you can start adding field values for each task by typing into the new column or selecting the appropriate option. This makes it much easier to sort, filter and manage your work in a more customized way. Thanks for watching.